Hello everyone, welcome back to Stitch and Carry Curation. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I made this bag. A customer asked me to sew this bag for her, so I decided to make a full tutorial for it. This is part 1. We will start with the material, cutting, and the first sewing step. Now let's get started. So I'll be starting with the bag handle first. So this is the 4-ring holder I'll be using. So I've cut out the bag handle, which is 2, and the measurement is 20 by 2 inches. Now I'll fold the handle together like this for stitching. So to make it easier, I add gum to it so that the folding will be easy. Now I'm going to be stitching the both handle. So I'm done sewing it. Can you see it's easy due to the gum I use? Now I'll be adding the ring holder to it for stitching. Now I'm done attaching the ring to the handle. Then after that, I will attach it to the rest also. The 2 back handle is ready. Now we move to the main body. So I've cut out the front and the back side with the bottom. So the measurements for the front and the back side is 17 inches by 9.5 inches length. So this is the one that will hold the ring to the leather. So the measurement for the ring holder is 1.7 inches by 7 inches. I fold the ring holder to the back, both sides, using gum for easy sewing, and after the folding, the measurement should remain 1 inch because the wideness of the ring is 1 inch. So I'll be using 4 ring holder, 2 at the front, 2 at the back side. From the side, I measure 6 inches, and from the bottom, I measure 7 inches. Then I do that to the second side also. So the ring holder placement will be at the back of the 6 inches and stop at 7 inches. Now I will be sewing the ring holder to the main body. Now I'm done sewing it. Then you are going to do the same to the second side. Now I'm done attaching the handle to the front and the back side. Now we move to the bottom. So the measurements for the bottom is 17 inches by 14 inches. After that, I will be joining the front and the back side to the bottom. So I'm done joining it together both sides. Now I will turn it to the front side for top stitching the both side. So this is it after top stitching it. You can see the way it looks like. I'll fold it into 2. Make sure the mouth rhyme with each other after folding. So I will come to the bottom side. I will measure 2 inches wide and 2 inches length and connect both the lines together. Then I will use the scissors to cut it out. So this is how it looks like after cutting it. So I will turn it to the back side by folding it together. After folding it, I will stitch both sides. Now I will stitch the bottom. So I've stitched the bottom. You can see the way it looks like. Now I will turn it to the front side. So this is how it look like after turning it to the front side. You can see the bottom rhyme with each other and the side also. So we have come to the end of the first video. So if you have really enjoyed and learned something from this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and give your thoughts in the comment section below. So stay tuned for the second part. See you. Bye.